Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through another fun real-life situation. Today's topic is a visit to the zoo. Many families and friends enjoy visiting the zoo. At the zoo, we can see many different animals, learn interesting facts, and spend a wonderful day together. This lesson will help you improve your English listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence. It is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Zoo vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Zoo. Repeat. Zoo. Animal. Repeat. Animal. Lion. Repeat. Lion. Elephant. Repeat. Elephant. Monkey. Repeat. Monkey. Giraffe. Repeat. Giraffe. Tiger. Repeat. Tiger. Bird. Repeat. Bird. Cage. Repeat. Cage. Ticket. Repeat. Ticket. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I am going to the zoo. Repeat. I am going to the zoo. The lion is sleeping. Repeat. The lion is sleeping. The elephant is very big. Repeat. The elephant is very big. The monkey is climbing the tree. Repeat. The monkey is climbing the tree. Very good. Buying a ticket. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Ticket clerk. Good morning. Welcome to the zoo. Visitor. Good morning. I'd like one ticket, please. Ticket clerk. Certainly. One adult ticket? Visitor. Yes, please. Ticket clerk. That will be $10. Visitor. Here you are. Ticket clerk. Thank you. Enjoy your visit. Visitor. Thank you very much. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I'd like one ticket, please. Pause. I'd like one ticket, please. Enjoy your visit. Pause. Enjoy your visit. Thank you very much. Pause. Thank you very much. Very good. Walking around the zoo. Now let's continue. Visitor. Where should we go first? Friend. Let's see the elephants. Visitor. Great idea. They are my favorite animals. Friend. Look. The baby elephant is playing. Visitor. It is so cute. Friend. Let's take some pictures. Visitor. That's a wonderful idea. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emma visited the zoo with her family on Saturday morning. The weather was sunny and pleasant. First, they saw the elephants. Then they visited the giraffes, zebras, and monkeys. Emma loved watching the playful monkeys. After lunch, they watched a bird show. Before going home, they bought small souvenirs from the zoo gift shop. It was a wonderful day. Now answer these questions. Who visited the zoo? Emma and her family. What was the weather like? It was sunny and pleasant. Which animals did Emma enjoy the most? The monkeys. What did they do before going home? They bought souvenirs. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I love visiting the zoo. The lion is sleeping. The elephant is very big. The monkey is funny. Let's take some pictures. I had a wonderful day. Excellent. English learning tip. When you visit a zoo, try to describe what you see. For example, the giraffe is tall. The tiger is walking. The birds are flying. Using simple sentences like these will help you improve your English quickly. Practice every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I'd like one ticket, please. Let's visit the elephants. The monkey is climbing the tree. I love animals. We had a great time at the zoo. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful zoo vocabulary, practiced buying a ticket, and talked about visiting different animals. In Part 2, we will learn how to ask questions at the zoo, talk about your favorite animals, understand zoo signs, and have longer real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful zoo vocabulary, practiced buying a ticket, and talked about visiting different animals. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations at the zoo. You will learn how to ask questions, talk about your favorite animals, understand zoo signs, and describe what you see. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Asking questions at the zoo. Sometimes you need information while visiting the zoo. Here are some useful questions. Where's the lion? Repeat. Where's the lion? Where are the elephants? Repeat. Where are the elephants? What time does the animal show start? Repeat. What time does the animal show start? Can we feed the animals? Repeat. Can we feed the animals? Where's the restroom? Repeat. Where's the restroom? Excellent. Conversation. Visitor. Excuse me. Where's the giraffe area? Zoo staff. Go straight, then turn left. You will see the giraffes next to the elephants. Visitor. Thank you. Zoo staff. You're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Visitor. Thank you very much. Practice time. Repeat after me. Where is the giraffe area? Pause. Where is the giraffe area? Go straight. Pause. Go straight. Turn left. Pause. Turn left. Enjoy your visit. Pause. Enjoy your visit. Excellent. Talking about animals. Let's learn how to describe animals. The giraffe is very tall. Repeat. The giraffe is very tall. The elephant is strong. Repeat. The elephant is strong. The tiger is beautiful. Repeat. The tiger is beautiful. The monkeys are playful. Repeat. The monkeys are playful. The birds are colorful. Repeat. The birds are colorful. The penguins are swimming. Repeat. The penguins are swimming. Wonderful. Conversation. Friend. Which animal do you like the most? Visitor. I like elephants because they are gentle and intelligent. Friend. My favorite animal is the tiger. Visitor. Why do you like tigers? Friend. Because they are beautiful and powerful. Visitor. Let's go and watch them. Friend. Great idea. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Tom visited the zoo with his classmates. Their teacher gave them a map of the zoo. First, they watched the penguins swimming. Then they visited the lions and tigers. Tom enjoyed reading the information boards because he learned many interesting facts about wild animals. Later, the class watched a dolphin show. Everyone clapped loudly because the dolphins performed amazing tricks. Before leaving, they took a group photo near the zoo entrance. Now answer these questions. Who did Tom visit the zoo with? His classmates. What did the teacher give them? A map of the zoo. Which animals did Tom watch first? The penguins. Where did they take a group photo? Near the zoo entrance. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. Where's the lion? Let's see the elephants. My favorite animal is the tiger. The giraffe is very tall. The dolphins are amazing. I enjoy visiting the zoo. Very good. English learning tip. Try to describe every animal using simple adjectives. For example, the elephant is big. The monkey is funny. The giraffe is tall. The lion is strong. These easy descriptions will help you speak English naturally. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Where's the giraffe? The elephant is very strong. My favorite animal is the monkey. Let's watch the animal show. I really enjoyed the zoo. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to ask questions, describe animals, follow directions, and have natural conversations at the zoo. In part 3, we will practice longer conversations, visit more animal areas, buy snacks and souvenirs, and improve your English listening with another real-life story. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In part 2, we learned how to ask questions, describe animals, and follow directions at the zoo. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to watch animal shows, buy snacks and souvenirs, talk about your favorite animals, and use more everyday English. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Watching an animal show. Many zoos have animal shows during the day. Listen to this conversation. Visitor. Excuse me. What time does the dolphin show begin? Zoo staff. It starts at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Visitor. Where is the show? Zoo staff. It is next to the lake. Please arrive 10 minutes early. Visitor. Thank you. We'll be there. Zoo staff. Enjoy the show. Excellent. Now repeat. What time does the dolphin show begin? Pause. What time does the dolphin show begin? Please arrive 10 minutes early. Pause. Please arrive 10 minutes early. Enjoy the show. Pause. Enjoy the show. Very good. Buying snacks. After walking around the zoo, many visitors become hungry. Visitor. I'm hungry. Let's buy something to eat. Friend. Good idea. What would you like? Visitor. I'd like a sandwich and a bottle of water. Friend. I'll have a hamburger and some orange juice. Cashier. Your total is $15. Visitor. Can I pay by card? Cashier. Of course. Thank you. Have a nice day. Excellent. Buying souvenirs. Before leaving, many people visit the gift shop. Shop assistant. Hello. Can I help you? Visitor. Yes, please. I'd like a toy elephant. Shop assistant. This one is very popular. Visitor. It's beautiful. I'll take it. Shop assistant. Would you like anything else? Visitor. Yes. I'd also like a postcard. Shop assistant. Here you are. Thank you. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Lily and her brother spent the whole day at the zoo. They watched the sea lion show and laughed when the sea lions played with colorful balls. Later, they bought ice cream because the weather was warm. Before going home, they visited the gift shop. Lily bought a small giraffe toy, and her brother chose a lion keychain. They took many photos and promised to visit the zoo again during the summer holidays. Now answer these questions. Who did Lily visit the zoo with? Her brother. What show did they watch? The sea lion show. What did they buy because the weather was warm? Ice cream. What souvenir did Lily buy? A small giraffe toy. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. What time does the show start? I'd like a sandwich. Can I pay by card? I'll take this toy. Let's visit the gift shop. I had a wonderful day. Very good. English learning tip. When you visit new places, ask simple questions. For example, where's the gift shop? What time does the show start? How much is this toy? Can I pay by card? These expressions are useful not only at the zoo but also while traveling. Practice them often. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I'd like to watch the dolphin show. Let's buy something to eat. I'll take this souvenir. Can I pay by card? Thank you for your help. Fantastic work. Today, you practiced watching animal shows, buying food, shopping for souvenirs, and using useful English expressions at the zoo. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete zoo story, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your own visit to the zoo in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful zoo vocabulary, how to buy a ticket, ask for directions, talk about animals, watch animal shows, buy food, and shop for souvenirs. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. My wonderful day at the zoo. Hello. My name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my wonderful visit to the zoo. Last Sunday, my family and I decided to spend the day at the city zoo. The weather was sunny and warm. Everyone was excited because we all love animals. We arrived at the zoo early in the morning. There were many families and children waiting at the entrance. My father bought the tickets while my mother looked at the zoo map. After entering the zoo, we walked to the elephant area first. The elephants were eating leaves and playing with water. The baby elephant was very cute, and everyone smiled while watching it. Next, we visited the giraffes. They were very tall and quietly eating leaves from the trees. I was surprised by how long their necks were. After that, we saw the lions. One lion was sleeping, while another was walking slowly around its enclosure. My little brother thought the lions looked very strong. Then we visited the monkey area. The monkeys were climbing trees, jumping from branch to branch, and playing with each other. They made everyone laugh. Around noon, we became hungry. We went to a small cafe inside the zoo. I ordered a chicken sandwich and a bottle of water. My parents had coffee, and my brother enjoyed a hamburger. After lunch, we watched the dolphin show. The dolphins jumped high out of the water and performed amazing tricks. The audience clapped loudly because the show was exciting. Later, we visited the birdhouse. There were parrots, flamingos, peacocks, and many colorful birds from different countries. Their beautiful feathers were amazing. Before leaving, we stopped at the gift shop. I bought a small giraffe toy and a postcard with pictures of wild animals. My brother chose a lion keychain. We also took many family photos near the zoo entrance. On our way home, we talked about our favorite animals. My favorite was the elephant because it was gentle and intelligent. My brother liked the monkeys because they were funny. My parents enjoyed watching the dolphins the most. It was one of the happiest days of the year. I learned many interesting facts about animals, spent quality time with my family, and practiced speaking English. I hope to visit the zoo again very soon. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Who went to the zoo with Sophia? Her family. Which animals did they visit first? The elephants. What did Sophia eat for lunch? A chicken sandwich and a bottle of water. What did Sophia buy at the gift shop? A giraffe toy and a postcard. Which animal was Sophia's favorite? The elephant. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I'd like one ticket, please. Where is the giraffe area? The elephant is very big. Let's watch the dolphin show. I'd like a sandwich, please. Can I pay by card? I'll take this souvenir. We had a wonderful day. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. Have you ever visited a zoo? What is your favorite animal? Why do you like that animal? Who would you like to visit the zoo with? What animals would you like to see? What souvenir would you buy? Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. Remember, every conversation helps you become a better English speaker. Practice every day. English learning tip. The best way to improve your English is to describe your own experiences. Think about places you have visited. Talk about what you saw, what you did, what you ate, and how you felt. Simple sentences help you become more fluent and confident. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Final review. Today you learned how to buy a zoo ticket, ask for directions, talk about different animals, describe your favorite animal, watch an animal show, buy food and drinks, shop for souvenirs, share your experience after visiting the zoo. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.